Chapter 1. How was Black History Month started? Before I discuss my vision for Black Future Month, I must first pay homage to Carter G. Woodson, the author of The Miseducation of the Negro and creator of Black History Month. Our ancestor, Mr. Woodson, was an outstanding intellectual who understood the importance of teaching Black/Negro history to his people. In 1926, Carter, along with the support from the Association of Study of Negro Life and History, facilitated the first Negro History Week. That's right. It started off as a week of intentional educational efforts by a group of individuals. They did not ask for permission, funding, or an official calendar week. They just did it. As the efforts and knowledge reached other places, schools and HBCU campuses began to organize their own Negro History Weeks. And by 1960s, during the Civil Rights era, the week turned into a powerful month. 50 years after the initial idea from Carter G. Woodson and other leaders, in 1976, President Gerald Ford became the first president to officially recognize Black History Month. And the rest is history. It is important to understand the grassroots beginnings of Black History Month and how recent in American history it has become normalized. It took the vision and dedication of a few to create this lasting culture we now see as a part of churches, schools, colleges, and even recognized internationally. It took them 50 years with no internet. How long will it take us to develop and solidify Black Future Month? Okay, activity time. And I'm going to try to do activities for each chapter. First activity, what are you waiting for permission to do or to achieve? What dream do you have? What goals have you set for yourself that you are waiting for some type of permission or some type of sign that you should or you are allowed to do it? Is it purchasing a house? Is it becoming the best partner, the best parent, the best student, the best sibling? What is it that you are waiting for permission to achieve? Write it down, take a mental note, talk about it with somebody. No more waiting. It's time to achieve.